this video is not to scare anyone, but it's me sharing my perspective and my own fears. It's a safe space, guys. So ever since I started doing medicine, I have feared diabetes more than I fear HIV, guys. Diabetes, guys. The things I've seen, diabetes, guys. Yo. So HIV, guys, it's a virus. Right? Your body has millions of viruses. We're so familiar with viruses. Coronavirus or the virus. When you have flu, you have a virus. You know? Like Siazazi viruses. How they work is that they multiply themselves. They get into your cells and they use their cells mechanisms to multiply themselves. So that's minions. And how HIV works is that it actually infects its soldiers, zomzimba, the cells that are supposed to protect your body from infections. Zonas is infected or cells that are weak. And it's like now, someone entering your house, breaking all the windows, all the burglar bars, breaking the gate, so that nepara nje elidlulayo that would normally not enter, lingene, infect, causes onke problems. So that's how HIV works. But now we've developed medication that basically render the body stronger to fight the virus, so it can remain dormant, like all the other viruses that you have, as long as you take your medication. And essentially, at the end of the day, you're probably going to die from something else than the HIV itself, unless you're not taking your medication. You don't have to do any other thing like exercise or whatever. Just take your medication. Diabetes, guys. Diabetes, guys. Yo. Diabetes, essentially, it's when the sugar levels in your blood are uncontrollably high. Complex mechanism, but the thing is, the sugar in your blood is high. And sugar in the blood is like a glass in the blood. Because blood goes everywhere, most. It goes to your brain, it goes to your heart, it goes to your eyes, it goes to your kidneys, it goes everywhere. To your nerves, everything receives blood. And the sugar in that blood, it destroys them. Destroys your eyes, you can go blind, right? When cataracts, it goes to your brain, you can have strokes. It goes to your heart, you can have a heart attack. It goes to your kidneys, all of a sudden you look plump because you can't relieve. Guys, diabetes. And the problem is that it's not like you can prevent it. I mean, you can exercise and be healthy, but if both the parents have diabetes, most at some point in your life, you'll develop diabetes. Control. And the worst part in diabetes is that the management, right? You will eventually develop a complication, right? You will eventually develop a complication. Now, Tina, we're just making sure that the complications develop later in life. You will eventually move from taking oral metformin to injecting yourself your insulin. Like, it will eventually get worse, right? And guys, I saw people developing they lost sensation of their feet, but develop his londa in the feet, not seeing them, they get infected, you have to amputate a foot. Diabetes, ngosiyami. Hayi man,